Libra, you one step away from changing everything, and you, uneven imagine how big it will be. Today the tarot will clarify your EYES. Libra, can you feel it? There's something in the air, a silent yet intense vibration, as if the universe is about to whisper your name. Do you have the feeling that something is shifting? Maybe you can't see it clearly yet, but you're about to discover that the turning point that will redefine your life is already in motion, and it could happen much faster than you expected. Get ready for a reading that not only reveals the future, but also brings you face to face with your true strength. The tarot reveals that you are on the threshold of a grand transformation. Everything that seemed distant, that seemed only a dream or a hope, is now beginning to take shape. And more than that, you are about to reap the rewards of a journey few could endure. This isn't luck, this is merit. Now, the Libra card reading. August 2025 reading. What does the tarot have for Libra? Seven of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Ace of Wands, Knight of Cups, the Emperor. The Seven of Pentacles card arrives as a seal of confirmation. What you've built with effort, care, and dedication, even in the days when no one saw it, is ready to blossom. Every silent step, every difficult choice, every moment you persisted even in fear is about to become a reward. The harvest is coming. But not just any harvest. It's charged with purpose, meaning, and reward. Can you feel the energy of this? It's not just a financial gain. It's a recognition of your inner strength, of your courage in not giving up even when everything seemed to be falling apart. The tarot shows that the time has come to reap what you've watered with tears, faith, and courage. This is the turning point, and you are right at the center of it, when the universe restores what was unjustly taken. But the story doesn't end there. The universe won't just reward you, it will also bring justice. The Five of Wands card reveals something powerful. Everything that was unjustly taken from you will be restored. Have you ever felt like you missed opportunities because of intrigue, misunderstandings, or external confusion? That someone tarnished your image, or that other people's decisions put you at a disadvantage? Now is the time for the truth to emerge. What was cloudy will be clarified. What was doubtful will be revealed. What was lost, will be returned. But be careful. This restoration won't be the same as before. It will be bigger, better. You're not just getting back what was yours. You're receiving it with emotional, spiritual, and even material rewards. The universe works with precision, and now it's moving in your favor. And here is a point few are prepared to hear. The pain you've experienced was necessary to prepare you for the greatness that is coming. Read that again. That pain had a purpose. She refined you, she shaped your wisdom, and now, all of this will be transformed into strength and direction. The spark of transformation, the new chapter no one expected. Do you think this is powerful enough? Wait until you understand what the Ace of Wands is saying. This card is like a divine spark that ignites not only your path, but your soul. It's a creative rebirth, an energy that breaks all previous limits and launches you toward a completely new life. And the most curious thing, this change won't come from outside. It will come from within you. New ideas, renewed courage, a clear vision of what you want to build. Projects that were stalled regain momentum. Old dreams, which you thought you had buried, reappear with surprising force. This is your calling, and ignoring it is no longer an option. You're entering the phase where almost will be replaced by I did it. And maybe one day will become I made it happen. But for that, you need something more. Discernment. Beware of disguises. The danger of pretty packaging. The tarot also carries a serious warning, one that you need to heed carefully. The Knight of Cups card appears with a warning. Not everything that glitters is for the better. With your energy on the rise, with the eyes of the world on you, temptations will also come. People with sweet words, magical promises, irresistible proposals, but empty inside. It's the kind of energy that tries to take advantage of your brilliance, your charisma, your generosity. This is the time to activate your instinct. Don't accept everything that comes your way. Question, analyze. Don't confuse admiration with intention. The Knight of Cups is charming, but he's also a master of illusion. He comes as a reminder that not every smile is sincere, and not every offer is a gift. Success also attracts predators, and your shield will be your intuition. The know that liberates, your new power of choice. And to protect and empower you even further, one of the most powerful cards in the tarot appears. The Emperor. He represents your authority, your leadership, and your non-negotiable right to choose your own path. This is the moment when no becomes your greatest superpower. Saying no to people, situations, and proposals that don't resonate with your truth will be the most important step toward your personal sovereignty. The Emperor teaches that limits are self-love in action. They don't ward off opportunities, they ward off pitfalls. You are building something solid, and to do so, you need structure. You need to take charge. Your life can no longer be directed by other people's expectations. Now, you are the architect, the ruler, the master of your own destiny, the harvest of a lifetime, the fruit of invisible persistence. Let's return to the Seven of Pentacles, because what it is showing you is greater than a simple good streak. It speaks of a long cycle, 7 years, 7 months, or even 7 weeks of silent dedication, of work done behind the scenes, of battles you fought without an audience, of faith maintained even in the darkness. Can you remember how many times you wanted to give up? How many times no one saw your effort? For that is precisely why your victory will be unshakable, because it is built on a foundation of truth. Today's society values the quick, the instantaneous, the apparent, but you chose the longest, deepest, truest path, and that's why your achievement will be lasting. It won't be something that comes and goes, it will be something that's here to stay. The truth always comes from confusion to freedom, and that confusion that surrounded you, those noises, those distorted words, the unfair accusations, the Five of Wands now shows that all of this will be dissolved, the masks will fall, and your truth, the one that seemed muffled, will be heard loud and clear. You will be understood, recognized, and, more than that, freed. The clarity that comes is like light after a storm. It doesn't just dissolve doubts, it reveals a new path. A clear path, with the right doors open, and with you in control. The beginning of a new personal era. Now, the Ace of Wands pulses even more strongly. Life wants to see you grow, create, dare, take risks, projects, relationships, talents. Everything takes on a new light, and you are more ready than ever. This is not just a good time, it is the beginning of a new era. You will be surprised by ideas, encounters, and decisions that will change everything. But none of this will happen outside of time. Everything will come when you're ready, and the truth is, you already are. Your soul already knows the path. Your intuition is stronger than ever, and your future is already calling your name. Are you ready to be what you've always dreamed of being? Libra, this reading is more than a wake-up call. It's a call, an invitation from the universe for you to embrace, once and for all, who you truly are. A balanced being, yes, but also strong. Loving, yes, but also firm. Fair, yes, but now non-negotiable with everything that doesn't honor your essence. You've been through the chaos. Now comes the construction. You've been through the waiting. Now comes the harvest. You've been through the shadows. Now comes the light. And the most impressive thing is that all of this has already begun. Take a deep breath, lift your head, and walk with confidence. Your new cycle doesn't start tomorrow. It has started now. Opening parenthesis ... Closing parenthesis. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and leave a comment. Opening parenthesis ... Closing parenthesis. And if you want to receive distance healing energy, leave your full name in the comments. See you in the next videos.